Welcome back to my channel. My name is Pfunzo, and if you're new here, welcome, and don't forget to subscribe down below. These are the 4 techniques I'm gonna be trying out, all from 5-minute craft videos. Without further ado, let's go to the kitchen and let's see if this actually works. I cut a line in the center, place it in the pot and add some water, then put it on the stove, let it boil, and then drain the water, put in cold water, and then try to remove the skin. But obviously this did not work at all. Fail. Since the first part actually failed, I decided to peel them and they were so sticky, so I'd advise you to use new ones. Here I was trying out like the trying to do the spiral ones, but it did not work out. I tried this like twice ago and this did not work. It kept on being slippery because I used the ones that I already pre-boiled, so it wasn't really working and I didn't get the results. And I tried this twice. This was my second attempt. It didn't work. So this one was not as bad as the other one, but it did give me a really nice shape at the end of it. But the only problem with it was every time I like to pry it through a spear, it kept on breaking apart. So that is the reason why this one did not really work out for me. And you can try it and maybe tell me if I'm going wrong with these 2 methods that I've tried before, but it just did not work out for me. This is the only one that actually did work. I just followed the video on top and then put in the microwave 5 minutes. She does work. Everything, the only thing is that it's a little dry on the inside, but it tastes really good. That's it from me, guys. If you enjoyed that, please don't forget to like, and if you want to see more videos like that from me, please comment down below. Tell me if you want to see more like that and suggestion of what other videos you would love to see. This was fun to make. It was educational. I got new skills and I found new ways of doing certain things. Guys, that's it. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye, guys.